नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो. आधीच्या भागामध्ये आपण SSC मॅथ्स 1 प्रॅक्टिस पेपर 3 ए पार्ट बघितला होता. त्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 चा बी मधला सेकंड पार्ट आपण बघितला होता. नाव 3, form a quadratic equation whose roots are 4 and -12. Now to find out the quadratic equation, that is we have given here, that is alpha is equals to 4, beta is equals to -12. The standard form of the quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Therefore, substitute the values of alpha and beta, that is x square minus in bracket 4 minus 12 bracket complete into x plus alpha into beta 4 into in bracket minus 12 equals to 0. That is the x square minus in bracket minus 8 minus become plus and 4 into minus 12, that is a minus 48. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is x square plus 8x minus 48 equals to 0. In this way, we have completed the question number 2. We'll see the next question. Complete any two of the following activity. The following table shows the blood group of the employees in a bank. Event C is the blood group of an employee is AB. That is, the table is given. Blood group A, B, AB, O. That is blood group A. Number of the employees 20. For the blood group B, 40, AB, 15, and O, 25. If an employee is chosen at random, what is the probability that his blood group is AB? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the following boxes and find the answer. It's a very simple question. See the answer. That is, in the first case, n of s is equals to 100. That is the total number of the persons. It's given here. Sum of all these persons, n of s is 100. Next, we substitute the value of n of c. Now n of c means what? That is the 15, which is the required event. Therefore, P of c means what? P of c is equals to n of c upon n of s, and then we'll find out the required probability. Now see this answer. That is, n of s is equals to 100, n of c is equals to 15, P of c is equals to n of c upon n of s, that is 15 upon 100. Therefore, P of c is equals to 3 upon 20, which is our required probability. Now, in the next question, the first term and the common difference of an AP is 10 and 5 respectively. Complete the following activity to find the sum of first 30 term of the AP. Now again, this is very simple question. Now here we have first term is given. First term, that is A is equals to 10, D is equals to 5. We'll substitute here. That is Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then 2a, 2 into 10, n minus 1, that is n is 30 minus 1. D means what? Which is a common difference. It is a 5. And substitute, you will get the answer. Now we'll see the answer. That is Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 30, S30 is equals to 30 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 10 means 20, 30 minus 1, into 5. Then multiplication. 29 into 5, 145. Plus 20, 165. 15 into 165. That is at 2475. This is the sum of first 30 terms. Now next, complete the following table to draw the graph of 3x minus y equals to 2. Now it's a very simple again. Here we have y is equals to 1. Substitute y is equals to 1. Then you will get this minus 1 comes to the right hand side. It will become plus 2 plus 1, 3. 3x is equals to 3. Therefore x is equals to 1. Therefore the point is 1, 1. What about the next? Put x is equals to minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. And again, that is we simplify. That is y is equals to 3 minus 2 minus, substitute the value again, that is x is equals to, then you will get y is equals to minus 5, and the point is minus 1 comma minus 5. That is, we see the answer is like this. Next, solve any two of the following. Prasad purchased a share of a face value rupees 100 when its market price was rupees 150. Company declared a dividend of the 12% on the share. What is the rate of the return on the investment Prasad made? Now again here face value, that is rupees 100, market value rupees 150, dividend is equals to the 12%. Let the rate of the return is equals to x%. If the rupees 150 are invested, the returns are rupees 12. Then what is the for 100? Which is the x. Therefore we write it as x is equals to 100 upon 150 into 12. And simplify this. Then we will get x is equals to 8%. Therefore the rate of return for the Prasad is 8%. Now next question. The nth term of the AP, that is a 3, 8, 13, 18 dash is 148. Find n. Solve this problem. The AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and dash. Let the nth term of the AP be 148. A is equals to 3, B is equals to 5, Tn is equals to 148. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 148 is equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. The 3 plus 5n minus 5. Therefore 148 is equals to 5n minus 2. Therefore 5n is equals to 148 plus 2. Therefore 5n is equals to 150 upon 2. 150 upon 5. Therefore n is equals to 30. Therefore 148 is the 30th term. Now next, solve the following simultaneous equation by the Cramer's methods. A simple question, repeated type of the question. X plus y is equals to 7, 2x minus 3y is equals to 9, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 7, a is equals to 2, b is equals to, a2 is equals to 2, b2 is equals to minus 3 and c2 is equals to 9. Then what about the determinant a1, b1, a2, b2? That is 1, 1, 2, minus 2. And solve this determinant, that is 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, minus 1 into 2, that is d is equals to minus 5. What about the dx? c1 b1, c2 b, 7 1 9 minus 3. That is 7 into minus 3 minus 21 minus 9 minus 30. What about the dy? a1 c1 a2 c2, 1 7 2 9. That is 1 into 9 is 9. 2 into 7 is minus 14, and therefore dy is equals to minus. Therefore, we have that is x is equals to dx upon d, that is minus 30 upon minus 5, that is equals to 6, and y is equals to dy upon d, which is minus 5 upon minus 12, that is 1. Therefore, x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 1. Now next, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 6 equals to 0, find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. This is also very simple questions. That is, alpha and beta are the roots of the x square minus 4x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now comparing this with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, the value of a is 1, b is minus 4, c is minus 6. What about the alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. Substitute the value of b and a. Alpha plus beta is 4. Alpha into beta, that is a c upon a, which is minus 6 upon 1, that is a minus 6. Now we want to find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. That is equals to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha into beta. This is the formula you have to remember. Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta. That is alpha plus beta is 4 and it's a square. That is a 4 square minus 2 into in bracket minus 6. Therefore 16 plus 12, that is 28. Therefore alpha square plus beta square is equals to 28. Now next, alpha cube plus beta cube, that is equals to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus in bracket minus 3 alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is 4, it's a cube, minus 3, alpha into beta is minus 6, alpha plus beta is 4, and overall the multiplication of this 72, 64, plus, then you will get 136, therefore alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 136. So, I have completed this question. Now, question number 4 and sub question. The sum of the third and the seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find the first term and the common difference of the AP. Now we'll see this answer. Now Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. T3 is equals to n is replaced by 3, a plus 3 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 2. What about the next? T7, that is equals to a plus 7 minus 1 into d, a plus 6. And their sum is T3 plus T7. If you add this, then you will get to a plus 8d, that is equals to 6. Therefore, the first equation is a plus 4d is equals to 6. What about the next? Their product, T3 and the T7. And this we can solve. That is that we have the terms. The terms are like this. या प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्र आपण प्रश्न बघितलेला आहे आणि यानंतरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पुढचा पाठ बघणार आहोत. तरी देखील हा प्रश्न मी पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पुन्हा एकदा रिपीट करणार आहे तुमच्या माहितीसाठी. नमस्कार.